So this has to be one of the most simplest Viking hairstyles that I have ever done, because all this requires is 4 strands of braids. So for the first and the main braid, take your hair from behind the ear in a ponytail. Now divide this ponytail into 3 different strands as they are required to make the primary braid. And now simply start braiding. Once you reach the end, just secure the braid with an elastic. And it should look something like this afterwards. Now you can rock this hairstyle as it is right now, but we're gonna add some more braids. To introduce some asymmetricity in the hairstyle, just make a braid behind one of the ears, either right or left, that is completely up to you. And again, just take some hair strands, divide them into 3 parts, and start braiding. Now we need to make 2 more small braids on either sides of the primary braid. And as these braids need to be thinner than the primary one, just take small amount of hair strands and start braiding. And similarly make another on the other side of the primary braid. And finally secure it with a rubber band. And now your hairstyle should look something like this. I think I really look like a Viking with this hairstyle paired with my beard. Let me know in the comment section guys what you think about this hairstyle. And with that being said, I'll see you guys around.